Hi, let's have a look at the WP301 Redirects dashboard, the central place where we will be managing your licenses, sites, brands, and logs for all of your sites. The dashboard contains an overview of your entire account, as well as a 2 minutes getting started guide and links to the documentation. Let me remind you that in the dashboard and in the plugin, you can always access our support in the lower right corner. Download plugin link gives you the latest version of the plugin, obviously. Purchases lists your purchases as well as your limits. For instance, this account is limited to 10 maximum active sites, and here is the list of extra features that I have. Licenses obviously gives you a list of all of your licenses, active or not. Let me remind you that you can edit, remove, and add as many licenses as you please. You click Add License. Let's keep all of the default settings. And that's it. New license created. If I delete it, nothing spectacular happens. I'm telling you this because many people believe that our default license that's created with the purchase is somehow special. It's not. It's just one license. You can create 5 more, 10 more, and edit them. I will remind you that our domain type licenses, I have one here, are much easier to use than the standard license keys. Why? Well, because if you have a domain-based license, you don't have to copy-paste anything. The system knows the URL of your WordPress site, and the only thing you need to do in the plugin is click Activate License without copy-pasting the license key. Brands enable you to completely rebrand the plugin and change its appearance, from logo, main color, name, company name, everything. Let me show you how that works. I go to Licenses, find my license, and let's say I want to rebrand to Fast Redirects. I update the license, and when I reactivate that license in the plugin, it will change to Fast Redirects, change all the colors, remove any mention of Web Factory. That's how you can create your own brands and impress your clients. Now, moving on to sites. This is a list of all of the sites that are currently using the WP301 Redirects plugin with my license. From here, I can monitor things, I can block a site, and I can perform remote actions as well as view stats and logs. For instance, on this site, I can see that today I had one redirect event, and I can see where and how it happened. I can also sync and revalidate license, so I'm sure that everything is okay and that this person is using a valid license. And I can also view logs, which are the next item on our list. So I pick 404 logs, I pick a site, and it shows me all of the 404 logs for that site since it was installed. This is very handy for a complete overview of things for all of your sites, so you don't have to go into each particular site just to view logs. Profile enables you to change your name, email address, and passwords, and documentation, well, takes you to our documentation.